Hi, my name's Taylor Edmonds and I'm the new Poet in Residence for the Future Generations Commissioner. So I'm a writer and poet, and lately I've been exploring joy and creativity in my work. I'm really passionate about bringing creative writing and all its benefits to everyone. I'm really excited to explore how I can use creativity to communicate all the brilliant work that the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act is doing in Wales. Wales is the only country in the world with such an act, and I'm really looking forward to communicating what it means and what it looks like in Wales. Imagining what the future might look like for people who aren't even born yet is a really new thing for me, so I'm really excited to get stuck in, to collaborate and hear what the ambitions that people have for the future. I look forward to a future where we prioritise equity and a future where everyone knows that they have a place and that they're valued in the world.